Hello students, in this video we will understand how you have to attempt your assessments using the Google Forms. So all of you will be receiving a link through your parent portal as well as we will be sharing the link on WhatsApp as well. Now what you have to do is when you will open a link, a question paper like this will be visible to you. So there will be few fields that you have to fill, like your email address will be mandatory. Like right now I am filling my email address here. Then you have to write your name, that is very important. Please understand the red mark field means these are the mandatory field and it is mandatory to fill those fields, otherwise you will not be able to submit the question paper. After that you will select your class in section. Now there will be three kinds of questions. One will be multiple choice question, another will be short answer question, and the third one will be a question. For example, you have to solve something and then you have to click the photograph and then upload that photograph. It can be a diagram or it can be a physics or chemistry solution, anything. So multiple choice question, all of you know how to attempt it, because simply you have to select the correct answer and you have to click on the submit button, right? Now for short answer, you can type your answer here, whatever the answer is, and you click on the submit, right? So now for adding a file, how to add a file, there will be few options, questions wherein you have to, for example, draw a diagram and then upload that particular file. So for that what you have to do is you have to click on this button. The add file button is there. If you see add file button, and there are options, select from the drive, previously selected, or upload. So you will click the photograph and upload it from your device. So I'll click on select. For example, I am selecting any file here, and then I after selecting the file will be visible here, you can see, and then you will click on the upload button. If you see, it is uploading here. It will take few seconds to upload. Please make sure that your file is not too heavy, so don't take the high resolution photographs. Take a normal photograph on the camera of the phone and then click on the, now you can see the file is attached. So now you can click on the submit button. As soon as you click on the submit button, you will see that your response has been recorded. That means you have successfully attempted the assessment. I hope this is clear, but if you have still any doubts, then you can connect with your class teachers.